If you want to add a header in Gamma app, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Gamma makes it really easy to create clean, professional-looking presentations and documents, and adding a header can help organize your content and make your pages look more polished. So whether you're building a project for work, school, or content creation, this guide will help you get it done fast. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Gamma project where you want to add your header. Once your project is open, look for the card or page where you want the header text to appear. This is important because Gamma works with individual cards or pages, so you want to make sure you're editing the right section before you start typing. Now go to the top of the card or page. This is where you'll place the header so it stands out clearly above the rest of your content. Click inside the top area and then type the header text you want to use. You can type something simple like a section title, a topic name, or any label that helps organize the page. After typing the text, the next step is to select it. Highlight the text so the formatting options become available. Once the text is selected, use the formatting toolbar to style it the way you want. You can make it larger to look more like a header, or you can bold it to give it more emphasis. If Gamma gives you other formatting options like alignment or text style, you can adjust those too to better match the look of your page. The goal here is to make the text visually stand out from the rest of the content, so it functions like a header. You don't need any complicated design skills for this. Just placing the text at the top and formatting it properly is usually enough to create a clean header style section in Gamma. If you want the same header style on other cards, you can repeat the same process. Open the next card, go to the top area, click inside, type your header text, select it, and use the formatting toolbar again. Repeating these steps keeps your project consistent and helps every section look organized and professional. This is especially useful if you're building a presentation with multiple topics, because a consistent header style makes your content easier to follow. It also helps your audience quickly understand what each section is about. So if you're trying to keep your Gamma project clean and structured, this is a simple but very effective method. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a header in Gamma app using a quick and easy text formatting method. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.